Tired of juggling multiple systems? Let's get your Cinc contacts into Mojo to supercharge your prospecting. First, we're hopping into your Cinc platform. Once you're logged in, find the Contacts section, typically labeled as Leads or a similar term. This is where your precious contact data resides. Make sure you can see your leads or contacts in a list view. Now, locate the export function. This is typically indicated by an icon looking like an arrow pointing up, a download icon, or the word export. Selecting this will start the data transfer process. Click on the export to access it. You'll be presented with file type options. Choose CSV or comma-separated values. This file format is universally compatible with most contact management and CRM systems, including Mojo. Double-check that all the information that you want to pull in is selected. Once the export is complete, your browser should download a CSV file to your computer. This file contains the contact information you intend to upload to Mojo, including names, phone numbers, and other relevant data. Next, fire up your Mojo account, log in, and locate the Contacts or Import Contacts section. These menu options can be found by different names depending on your exact version. Click or tap on the option to import contacts from a file. The Upload portal will prompt you to select your CSV file, which you just saved from Cinc. Click on the Choose File button and navigate to the CSV file you downloaded earlier. Select the file and click on Open. Mojo will now prompt you to map the columns from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Mojo. This is where you tell your system, column A is name, column B is phone number, and so on. Take your time here to ensure accurate data mapping. Verify that all columns are correctly associated with the right fields: name, phone number, email, etc. After mapping and reviewing, confirm that the import data is all present by checking their associated columns in Mojo. After reviewing and confirming, initiate the import process by clicking one of the Import, Save, or Submit buttons. Be patient. The import might take a few minutes depending on the number of contacts, and there you have it. Your Cinc contacts are on their way into Mojo. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your Cinc contacts into Mojo. Now, start leveraging Mojo's features for more efficient communication and prospecting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.